Welcome back to Montana. I was on the way back from the airport the other day and this happened. That's the one nice thing about CAN bus, it tells you exactly what's out. If you don't have that message on your car, it may take you a little while to find out. You may even get pulled over to find out that you've got a tail light out. Instead of doing this, instead of doing that, and I see so many people, even smart, capable people, afraid to change a light bulb in their car and paying, I don't know how many dollars for someone else to do it when it's just a few dollars to do it yourself. I'm just going to show you real quick how to do it. Turn signals sometimes flash erratically because the circuit is different than normal now with the bulb out. It's really easy to do. You can just go to your auto parts store and they have a little book that'll tell you the size bulb you need. You can Google it and it'll be there as well. For trucks, it's really easy to change the rear lights. It's really easy to get at the rear light housings. In a car, you probably just have to open the trunk and then usually just have to pull back a little bit of carpet. I had some replacement LEDs in my Amazon cart and I said, you know what, let me go out to the shop and see what I have. And I have the exact same type of bulb here, brand new, unopened. I think they're the same ones on the Tahoe, but I could be wrong there. So we can see here that the new bulb matches pretty much the old bulbs. Yeah, 3157. Just a slightly different base on these than this. So you just need to take off the taillight housing, and Chrysler loves their Torx Bits, probably once they started working with the German Mercedes. So you know the Germans love their Torx Bits. And then this will just pull right off. Sometimes there's like locking tabs, you just need to pull straight out. There you go. Don't be afraid to give it a little bit of a push or a little bit of a pull, but you know, don't go nuts. These tabs just interlock on here, so you need to pull them off. But it's just one bulb right here. Just twist and it comes out. You can see that this bulb is burnt. I want this to drop. That'll be good for a second. Try not to touch the actual bulb. Dirt and oils from your skin can make the bulb burn out sooner. So ideally you'd be wearing some gloves, but you don't really need it. I'm being a little overly cautious here. And we're in. And now let's test it. Just gonna unlock the car. Yeah, that works. And if one burned out, in all likelihood the other one's gonna be ready to burn out soon. So let's just replace it while we're doing it. Just as easy to put it back in. Usually the slot has a special shape to it, and then the front of the harness will fit in one way, and you can just rotate it back in. There we go. So putting it back on is just as easy. Just make sure that you get the slide over any tabs. And on, and then just replace the screws. Make sure it's on there good, and then just simply replace any screws. Don't need to go crazy tight, just tight enough. And that's it. Took a second for my CAN bus message to go away, but the turn signals now operate normally. The only message I've left was to change my oil, and that's a different story. So if you like this video, please give it a like. Subscribe for more if you want to see some more. May God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.